Hi everyone. Now we are going to see about how to create instance in AWS EC2 and how to log into the particular instance. So here AWS EC2 is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud. So this is one of the major services which is provided by the AWS. Now, so we are going to create a AWS instance in the cloud. And after that, we are going to see that how we can able to log into the particular host. So through Putty. So how we can use Putty and how we are going to convert the keys and all. Now we are going to see that. So I have an account in AWS. I have logged in. Once you log into the AWS account, here you have to come to EC2 console. Click on EC2. So you will be driving to EC2 console. Here you can see this is the AWS EC2 console main window. So just click on running instances, or else you can directly click on launch instance as well. Now I'm going to click on running instances. From there also you can create instance. Just click on the launch instance. Now we are going to clear the instance. Here AWS is predefinedly providing different kind of AMIs. AMI nothing but Amazon Machine Image. What I can say is in general term wise. So in school, in college we used to take one OS backups, right? OS images using Nero and all, right? So this kind of same scenario over here. So AWS is giving a predefined AMIs. What kind of flavor of OS you want, you can choose that here. So that Amazon Linux or Red Hat or SUSE or Ubuntu or Microsoft, whichever you want, you can choose here. So here Amazon Linux nothing but so they have customized the CentOS 5 OS and they name it as a Amazon Linux AMI. So now I'm going to choose this AMI. So and after that you're going to drive into instance type here. Instance type nothing but what kind of configuration you want. So based on your application, you have to choose that configuration of your instance. Here you can see general purpose type is a general purpose family, and you can choose stereo micro. So this is the free tier eligibility. If you select other than this, you will be getting charged. So this is the free tier you can use, and here you can see 1 CPU and 1 GB of RAM they are providing. So you can choose more than that. So whichever you want, you can choose it. So for now I have this is my free account, right? That's why I'm choosing general purpose stereo micro. Click on next, configure instance details. Now how many instances I want? I want only one instance. That's why I'm keeping only one. So this purchase options are not required right now. So here network maybe for new accounts people will get default VPC. So no need to create your own VPC or not. You can choose the default VPC, or else you have to create the VPC. If you want to know how to create the VPC, just subscribe to my YouTube account. So there you can see my videos how to create VPC as well. So here we have to choose ASIC Corporation VPC and subnet also. Here I'm selecting public subnet because I want a public IP address. I want auto assign public IP address. I'm enabling it. This is IAM role is a different concept. This is also we have to watch different videos. And after that, I'm just clicking next, add on storage. So choose here. I'm choosing 8 GB of storage over here. So how much is the storage you want? You can choose. Defaultly, AWS is going to provide 8 GB of storage. And here different types of storage are there. So I'm choosing general purpose. Just tag the name of your instance, what kind of name you are going to give. So I'm just giving AWS EC2 instance. Click on the security group. Security group nothing but one kind of firewall. What kind of ports you are going to allow to reach your instance. So that ports only you're opening here in the security group. Like if I want to reach to my host via port TCP by IP port, you have to enable 22 port for SSH, and if you want to make it available for HTTP server, you have to enable 80 port. If you want to make it for HTTPS, you have to enable 443 port. Okay, so I'm just choosing the RC Corporation security group, or else you can create your own security group as well here by adding the roles. Now everything I already created, so that's why I'm not choosing that. I'm just going with my existing security group. See, at the end of the page you can see so what are the configurations you have given, so entire things. So if you want to change it anything, you can go to previous by pressing previous. Here we have completed 7 steps here. First we choose the AMI, and after that we have chosen that AM instance type, like what kind of configuration you want. After that you configure that which network it has to be launched, and after that we have given chosen the storage, how much of the storage you want, and after that we have given the tag names, like name of the instance, what kind of what name you want to keep it to your instance, and after that we have chosen the security group. It's a one kind of firewall. Now I'm going to launch the instance. As you know guys, AWS is a key based key passwordless authentication, like it's a key based authentication. So for that you have to create your own key. So if you don't have a key, just create the new key pair, and you can keep the name here something and download the key pair. So I'm just give the name as a RAM. I'm just download the key pair. So by with this key only you're going to be able to log into your host. Now just click on the launch instance. Okay, now go to EC2 console again. So now this instance is going to be spin up. It will take 2 minutes of time to came into the live position. Okay, now here you can see ram.pem file, right? Pem nothing but a private enhanced mail security file. So here what are the instance I launched, that is a Linux daemon host, but here I'm trying to reach to Linux host through my Windows OS. So Windows OS will not understand the PEM file actually. So PEM file will be designed for Linux OS. For that I need a mediator tool. So that mediator tool what we are using is a Putty. So just go to Google, just press on enter Putty and download Putty from the Google. Putty is an open source SSH tool to connect your remote machines. Sorry, you can download Putty here. Just click on Putty here, and what under the files we want is here alternative binary files. Here what we want is one is a putty.exe and another one is a puttygen.exe. So I already downloaded these files and I kept in here my directory here work. So putty and putty.gen. Now what I need is, so let me copy this file to here. Now as I said, Windows will not understand the PEM files. So for that what you need to do is we have to convert PEM file to PPK file. PP nothing but a PPK nothing but a putty private key. So that you are converting your PEM file to PPK file by using the puttygen. Just click on the puttygen and load your file where you stored the file. So just here click on all files, select your file rom.pem. So it is telling the pop-up message successfully imported foreign key. Just click on OK, and nothing to do anything here. Just save private key. Don't save the public key. So save private key. Click on S and just give the same name, or you can give the other name as well. So remove the PAM extension. Just give your name, and it will automatically save as a PPK extension. Now we have converted PEM file to PPK file. Now go to Putty, go to AWS console, get your public IP address here. So we got the public IP address because we have launched the instance in public subnet. Paste the IP address over here in the host name and the port number, whichever port number is 22. It will automatically came as a 22 only defaultly. So at where I copied it, just whenever you open, you will be getting this window. So here you have to paste it, or else in sessions. And next comes to SSH. Click on the plus symbol, and after that authentication. Here now don't click on the plus symbol, click on only authentication and go to browse and show your key where it got shared. Open. So defaultly AWS having a user is a EC2 user. Fine, your instance is ready now. So if you want to enter into the sudo, you can enter, or if you want to install any software, you can install. Fine. So we successfully created the instance, and after that we successfully convert the key from ppk file to pem file to ppk file, and we log into your host. Now I don't want to use this host now, so because AWS is, they will charge for hourly based. So whatever the account I launched, that is a free account, in the sense monthly they used to give 750 hours of free services, 750 hours free service. So if you exceeded more than that, they used to charge. So based on that, you have to plan yourself and you have to be used in between the 10-50 hours only. So for that, now I done some work on this, and I don't want to keep it as alive. If you want to stop it, just go to actions, instance state. Here you can see stop, reboot, terminate. Terminate instance is going to delete the entire everything. The instance going to be terminate. Stop nothing button. So you can instance charge will not be there, so you can stop, keep in a stop it state, but they will be charging for the storage whichever you attach to your instance. Okay, so for that, if you want to stop it, you can stop it to avoid the costings. You can stop. So your instance is going to be stopped state. So you can see earlier instance it isn't stopped state. If you want to start it now, you can start it. I can start it. Fine guys, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.